Hello, all, welcome to SunTec Digital. Today we are going to discuss optimizing pharma content for faster product submission, changing with the times. Until recently, digital life sciences firms have been unable to address these practical constraints due to departmental information silos and protocols, and the difficulties of harmonizing them. Users are shielded from the world's complications. The basis for progress is strong, complete, and accurate product master data expressed in standard terminology and style and can be customized to accommodate a wide range of use cases, creating attainable goals. Rather than aiming towards strong master data, companies may switch to entries that recycle a lot of the same information, written in a similar style. The foundations of success. Replace some of the data items and values with intelligent tags that are linked to master data, so it adds intelligence and efficiency to current procedures. Valuable asset. Structured content has changed the life sciences and pharma by converting data into a rapid and useful asset. Conclusion. If you are looking to streamline all your content and data through journal publishing services, we are here to help. Contact us through info@suntecdigital.com. Contact us www.suntecdigital.com. 1-585-283-0055. info@suntecdigital.com